everyone. I'm Mary Thomas.
And I'm Stephanie Thomas.
And we are the Sales Tax Sisters. We decided to do something a little bit fun today and talk to you about a topic that we all need to know about, which is automation. Not only do you need to know the sales and use tax implications of buying software and software as a service, meaning software that's in the cloud, there's also an issue of managing your expectations. Last year, we bought a lot of different softwares to help with a lot of different things. And one thing that we did not anticipate that we're going to tell you is that you have to be able to spend the time learning the actual software or app.
Yeah, you actually have to understand what you bought and how to use it and how to maximize the benefits of said software.
And people change the software and the apps all the time. And so you have to be on top of that. And it's just one of those things that a lot of business owners do, because this station is really geared toward the entrepreneur and the people who are kind of on the ground of making sure that things work. It's really easy to spend a lot of money on something that ultimately you don't get the benefit from because you didn't have time to figure out how doggone stuff worked.
And if you buy like 3 apps in 3 months, you have to learn three apps and how that affects your business and the benefits of said apps. So it can be a lot on top of your normal everyday business activities.
And a lot of our clients are automating, and that's why we're talking about this.
Mm-hmm.
If it's counterintuitive to you, don't buy it. If it's something that you know you don't have the time, or you just refuse at this particular point to learn it, rethink it, because free trials stop being free trials usually in about 2 weeks, and then you'll be paying for something. If you haven't done an inventory of all of your subscriptions in a while, you might be surprised at how much money you can save by getting rid of stuff that you don't use.
Yeah.
So that was our fun topic.
Was that a really fun topic?
For me, it was, because it's something that I wish people had kind of told.
That's like a tip topic.
Yeah.
That's a tip
probably
topic.
A tip topic.
Yeah.
But it's something that it doesn't make your mind want to explode. It's something you can get. And so I call it a fun topic. I mean, my bar is low. So that's it for this week. We will see you next week. If you have any comments, if you have any subscriptions that you never used, let us know what they are at the bottom. Or if you have any apps that you love, let us know that too.
Yeah.
Have a great one. If you like this, thumb it up. If you want to see more of the tips that we have that we've learned in over 20 years of running a business, let us know. We're happy to share. Subscribe, thumb it up. Think about subscribing to the newsletter. The online class availability is in the links.
And follow us on Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn. All of those are in the description box.
Have a great one. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.